Hello everyone, welcome back to another video guys. This is my choice. 3 days ago when I uploaded this video, I got this comment from one of my subscribers asking if you can remove the black verification logo on his Facebook profile, and the answer is yes. You can successfully remove the black verification badge on any Facebook profile, and in this video I'm going to show you how. So in case you applied for the black verification but you like to remove it, then this video is not for you because it will give you a step-by-step guide. So without further ado, let's dive into today's video. So guys, the first thing you need to do, you need to go ahead and open your Facebook application and make sure you log into your Facebook account. As you can see, this is the Facebook profile that we shall use to remove the black verification badge. Now tap on those 3 dashes at the top right corner and then tap on settings and privacy, and then settings, then tap on account center, and then open profiles. Go ahead and open your profile. Now you need to select name, the very first option. So guys, for us to remove the black verification badge, you need to tap on change order of name. Tap on that option. And then select the second option on your name, and then tap on save changes. As you can see, name updated successfully. Now let's go back to confirm whether you have removed the black verification badge. As you can see, we don't have the black verification badge on our Facebook profile. So that's all it takes for you to remove the black verification badge on any Facebook profile. So that's it for me today. So if you found today's video, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on the notification bell icon for more useful videos. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next one.